Can you imagine this? From 2023 to 2030, the global 3D printing industry is set to skyrocket with an astounding CAGR of 23.3%, soaring from its 2022 valuation of USD 16.75 billion. This incredible growth is fueled by a surge in demand for prototyping applications across diverse industries, most notably in the healthcare, automotive, aerospace, and defense sectors. So are you ready to join this exciting journey being part of the 3D printing revolution that's transforming the world as we know it? Hello, friends. Today we're diving into the magical world of 3D printing to answer the million-dollar question: is 3D printing a profitable business? Before we dive in, make sure to join our thriving tech community. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest cutting-edge technology. Honestly, we foresee a dazzling future for the 3D printing business. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Let's look at the facts together. First off, 3D printing is among the fastest-growing manufacturing techniques out there. In the past 5 years, the 3D printing market has seen a staggering 25% annual growth in value. And guess what? Many experts predict this upward trend will only pick up steam in the years to come. Let's take a moment to appreciate some real-life examples of 3D printing breaking into new territory. This year alone, we've witnessed the launch of BMW cars with 3D printed components, Adidas shoes featuring 3D printed insoles, and even Gillette Pilot razors with interchangeable 3D printed handles. These are just a few ways 3D printing is weaving itself into the fabric of our society and economy. But the excitement doesn't end there. The market value of 3D printing is soaring at a breakneck pace, which speaks volumes about its progress. According to 3D Hubs, the 3D printing market is projected to hit a whopping $25 billion by 2023, with even more growth expected beyond that. Now, some might wonder if 3D printing will eventually dominate the entire manufacturing industry. Well, it's essential to remember that subtractive manufacturing and other traditional production methods still have a strong foothold in the market, meaning 3D printers might not completely take over just yet. Think forging. That being said, current trends and future predictions all point to a continued rapid expansion of the 3D printing market, and as a result, we can definitely expect a surge in demand for 3D printed products and services. So let's keep our eyes peeled for the exciting possibilities ahead. Let's talk about some profitable niches in the 3D printing world. Number 1. Prototyping and model making with 3D printing. First up, we have the creation of prototypes and models using 3D printing. In this area, the process itself and the 3D models it produces play a crucial role. Fields like architecture, engineering, and science often require models of buildings, machines, or even chemical compounds. Plus, design analysis relies heavily on 3D printing. Do you know what's fascinating? The constant demand for 3D models from students and tech universities make it a prime spot to set up a new printing lab. With tech institutions nearby, you're looking at a goldmine of potential customers, making it an ideal location for a 3D printing business. And here's a fun fact for you. A whopping 65% of the current demand for 3D printing comes from engineers working on the development of industrial, electrical, or consumer products, so it's definitely a niche worth exploring. Number 2. Industrial 3D printing. Here is another lucrative niche for industrial 3D printing. It is the world of manufacturing with 3D printers, where the stakes are high but the rewards can be even higher. To get started, you'll need to invest in a commercial 3D printer, which will set you back around $20,000. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the potential of such a printer is truly mind-blowing. Picture this. You identify a plastic product that's in high demand but scarce in your market. What a fantastic opportunity to produce it using your industrial 3D printer. You could create anything from furniture and automobile components to bike parts, house elements, and even shipper airplane parts. To truly thrive and rake in profits in this venture, you'll want to build connections with major corporations and affluent clients who are ready to buy in bulk. Yes, the risk is higher with this sizable investment, but remember, building a strong brand and attracting customers takes time and perseverance. So are you ready to take on the challenge and use your 3D printing skills to change the way things are made? The possibilities are endless. Number 3. Discovering the magic of 3D printing services. You may know that in a world where countless people could benefit from occasionally printing in 3D, the steep price of high-quality 3D printers hold them back. This is where your business comes in, offering the convenience of 3D printing on demand. To make this venture a success, you'll need the perfect location. Large urban areas, especially downtown spots, are ideal for setting up your 3D printing hub. A strong marketing game. Spread the word about your fantastic 3D services, especially during the early stages. While there may be other 3D printing businesses out there, not many customers know about them yet. A warm, welcoming customer service. Be the friendly face your clients need and make their experience memorable. An online edge. Let customers place orders online and offer options for picking up or shipping later on. This convenience will surely be a major selling point. So are you ready to bring the magic of 3D printing services to the masses? Number 4. The untapped potential of 3D printing and scanning. The 3D printing and scanning niche is a promising and often overlooked segment of the market. As demand grows, we can expect to see 3D scanning workshops emerge in major downtown areas. This sector offers immense potential for businesses as countless everyday items require replication. From a child's cherished broken toy to a classic car bumper, garden ornaments, or even a skateboard, the applications are vast and varied. Number 5. Crafting 3D wonders from the comfort of your home. Did you know that manufacturing and selling finished products is one of the most exciting opportunities within the 3D printing world? With a 3D printer at your fingertips, the variety of items you can create is mind-boggling, numbering in the millions. Your income potential is practically limitless, but it all comes down to the creativity and quality of your products. Think about all the possibilities: smartphone cases, children's toys, and eye-catching decorative accents, just to name a few. The key to your business's success lies in understanding what customers crave, focusing on crafting items that people can't wait to buy. Consider this brilliant idea: using a 3D printer to recreate classic but out-of-production items. These could range from motorcycles and shotguns to cannons or even majestic thrones. Another way to make money is to make fake foods that even look real. These are used to make mouth-watering displays in the windows of stores, cafes, and bars. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity and explore the amazing world of 3D printing from the comfort of your home? Number 6. Crafting and marketing your own 3D printers. Even though the 3D printer market is still young, competition is heating up. With the resources available, it is entirely possible to build your very own 3D printer. Creating your own 3D printed product could be a profitable venture, but be prepared to invest time and money, especially in marketing. Number 7. Bringing 3D printer prototypes to life. High-quality 3D printer prototypes are in high demand, and big corporations are willing to pay top dollar for them. Of course, you'll need a solid engineering background and a unique idea for a 3D printer. If you have what it takes, you can almost bet on a large corporation scooping up your innovative creation. Number 8. Fun and exciting 3D printed toys for kids. Toys, like many other things, can be effortlessly created using a 3D printer. You can craft amazing toys based on beloved characters from fiction or popular media. The market for toy stores specializing in 3D printed toys is just starting to take off. Imagine a world where kids can walk into a store, choose a toy, and watch it come to life right before their eyes thanks to a 3D printer. Friends, let's talk about another important question you should ask me. Is starting a 3D printing business a costly venture? My simple answer to this question is that to kick off your 3D printing business, you'll need to get your hands on a 3D printer, of course. The cost of a 3D printer can vary widely from as low as $200 to several $1,000s, or even sky-high prices for the most cutting-edge industrial models. If you're serious about your venture, you should consider investing around $3,500 to $6,000 in a professional 3D printer that delivers high-quality prints. However, if your business doesn't demand super precise 3D printing, you could snag a decent printer for under $700. And here's a thought: if you're a whiz at engineering and crafting mechanical devices, why not try building your own 3D printer? Take the plunge today and you might just have a functioning printer within a day. So are you ready to explore the world of 3D printing businesses and make your mark? Let us know in the comment box below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.